Hey everybody, it's Rob Harrell at MarineMax in Charleston. Today we are looking at a 2026 Glacier Green Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. It does come with a trailer. The trailer does have a spare tire and a swing tongue to save some room in your garage. This boat does have the teak package on it, which is a really nice accent. High rear bow rails. It does have a ski tow bar on the back, which is great for getting on and off the boat. I think they do the best job with ski tow bars. This boat is powered with a Mercury 115. Let's get on board and show you around. Hey, now that we're on board, you can see it has a really beefy ski tow bar. Like I said earlier, great for getting on and off the boat. You do have a swim platform in the rear of this boat. Easy fuel cap. If you have any spillover, it runs right into here, so you don't have to worry about spilling it in your boat. JL audio speakers. The seats come in and out of the boat, so now you have rod holders so you don't fish. These are easy seats that come out. This boat does have the fishing package on it, so you're going to have the live well underneath the seat, which is aerated, which is very nice. This boat is equipped to hold 7 people. It does have the JL audio, 9-inch Simrad, compass, easy buttons to light up everything up in the bow. You do have a cooler cushion seat that is removable. It does, like I said, have the fishing package, so you're going to have more rod storage. You're also going to have tackle box storage as well. Really good size fish box up front that is insulated that you can use as a cooler. For a 17-foot boat, this is a lot of room in this boat. It is pre-wired for a trolling motor as well, and here is your anchor locker. Absolutely incredible lifetime boat. It will last you forever. If you would like to see this boat, you could reach us at MarineMax.com Charleston. You could give us a call at 843-747-1889. Let's get on the water.